Ways we have stages to undergo in this life, that is how we have stages to undergo in the forex market. For the purpose of the new viewers and the beginner, I'm going to briefly walk you through some stages. The starting phase is, yes, I'm interested in learning forex. Then you are going to look for either a mentor, or you are going to decide that I'm not going to pay anybody. I want to self-taught myself, rise online, or rise any material available with you. Then you will be introduced to trading strategy, trading psychology, risk management, then to back testing stage. After that, you are going to fund your account and you're going to be thinking you are going to be a millionaire. You are going to have the financial freedom that you dreamed for in few weeks or months. You are going to be thinking all your trade is going to be win, 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 win. Then the reality of trading will catch up to you. The real trading psychology will catch up to you. When the reality of trading catch up to you, then you will battling your fear, your greed, your impatience, your risk management. For some people that are able to battle those bodies of trading psychology are going to like proceed. But for some people that are unable to battle it successfully, saying trading is a scam, and for those that don't give up are going to reset and restart. They are going to start seeing their mistake and they are going to work on it. This stage, there is a lot you are going to work on, because you are going to be working on each of these trading psychology body one by one. The moment you work on your fear, you are going to like reset to work on your impatience. After that, you are going to reset to work on your greed. After that, you are going to reset to work on your discipline. Also, you get to this stage, after you work on that one, you are going to fund your account. You are going to see that you are doing well, you are doing well, till something happen and you are going to blow that your account that you are doing well from. You will have to sit down and figure out what is wrong. Once you discover what is wrong, you are going to sit down and work on it. For me, I've gotten to a stage I want to see forex as a business. So I have to pause, reset, learn, and start all over again. And so far, I've been able to gain meaningful and useful knowledge. If you are just starting forex, your first deposit should not be more than a $10. And my own advice for you is that $10, don't expect $5 profit, expect $3 profit, and just make sure you are managing that account that you are just having maybe -2 to -3 drawdown. Hold that $10 account for 1 or 2 weeks, then go ahead and deposit another $10. You know your initial capital will be $20 like that, so you can just manage that $20 for 1 week, then go ahead to deposit maybe 50 or $80 to make that account a $100 account. Then see how it goes. That is the process I followed in my trading career. You can check those videos on this channel where I share my experience on a daily basis while I was going my $10 account. And because I'm able to hold a $10 and a $20 account, I'm able to make times 100 profits or on the $100 account in like few 9 days. So the highest profit I made was $20 on the $10 account, and the least profit I make for a day is $5. And I'm telling you, it is because I'm able to hold a $10 and a $20 account. So you know all the experience I gained from there, you know the FOMO, the fear, the impatience, the greed allow me to do well with the $100 account before I blow my account. And the reason why I blow my account is due to overconfidence. So you see, with this overconfidence, I have to sit down, pause, learn, and start all over again. And that is one of the reasons why I said when you are trying to understand the body of trading psychology, it's going to take you a like long time. It's going to take you a long time, mostly for people that don't have much capital. If you have huge fund, it won't take you that time, but for us that have little or no capital, it's going to take us more time. And it is advisable for you to just take this step by step. Now I'm at the edge of learning research about the overconfidence and Also, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to blow that subscribe button for more educative content, and feel free to share your trading experience in the comment section. Till my next video, still remain your boy